This is how you're going to use WhatsApp Web on Chrome. WhatsApp Web allows you to access your chats from your desktop browser synced with your phone. First, you're going to open WhatsApp Web. On your Chrome browser, you're going to navigate to web.whatsapp.com or simply type in whatsapp.com. And then from here, you're going to open WhatsApp from your phone. But first, you're going to make sure that you head over to the login button first, and then you're going to click on it. And then once you're here, it's going to tell you what you're going to do in order to connect your mobile WhatsApp. And then from here, you're just going to open WhatsApp on your phone. You're going to launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone, Android or iOS, and then you're going to access linked device. For Android, you're going to tap the three dot menu and then go to linked devices. But for iOS, you're just going to tap settings or the gear icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then from here, you're going to click on linked devices. From there, you're going to link a device. You're just going to tap link a device, and then your phone's camera will open. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the Chrome screen. Now, once the code is scanned, your chats will sync and load automatically in the Chrome browser and will look like this. Your phone must remain connected to the internet for WhatsApp Web to function. And that is how you're going to use WhatsApp Web on Chrome. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.